Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you some best night mode tips for better low light photos. So at first, let the night mode turn on automatically. Open the camera, tap photo, and here tap to have the night mode auto set here. Once done, we can move to the next step. Use the longer exposure only if you're steady. Night mode lets you choose how long the camera captures light. As for the shorter time, it's better for the handheld shots, but longer time, for example from 3 to 10 seconds, it's for the brighter photos, but only if you are very steady. Best trick is to lean against a wall, table or a railing, or rest your phone on something solid. If you do have a stand, your phone can go with the exposure up to 30 seconds, but of course only if you have a stand. Apart from that, you can stay still. I know that it just is like the worst tip I can tell you, but this matters more than the camera actually. Even small movements can blur night mode photos. Keep the phone with two hands, keep elbows tucked in, and breathe out slowly while shooting. iPhone stabilization helps, but can't fix big movement. Apart from that, use some light. Don't take the photos in the total darkness. Night mode works best with a little ambient light. For example, street lamps, stall lights, window light, or phone screens nearby. Pitch black screens often look grainy no matter what. Apart from that, be careful with people and moving subjects. Night mode is great for buildings, landscapes, still objects, of course. But I don't recommend taking a photo with night mode of people moving, pets, and crowds. If people are moving, shorten the exposure or turn night mode off. Apart from that, choose the right lens. Main camera, 1x of course, is best night mode quality. Ultrawide, more noise in very dark scenes, and zoom lenses avoid low light if possible. If it's really dark, stick to 1x. And then avoid over editing night photos. After taking the photo, lower highlights, slightly raise shadows, reduce noise gently, and avoid heavy filters, they flatten the detail. Natural edits keep night photos looking realistic. And remember, flash is not the night mode. Flash is harsh and flattens the scene. Night mode keeps natural lighting and mood. Use flash only for very close subjects and quick snapshots. And that's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.